Do you want to sound more British? Use these 3 phrasal verbs. Number 1, pop round. I might pop round to Sarah's later and drop off her book. This phrasal verb means to visit someone briefly, usually somebody nearby. Number 2, pop to or pop into. I'll just pop to the shop to grab some milk. This means to enter a place quickly or for a short time. And number 3, pop out. She's just popped out to the post office. She'll be back in 10 minutes. This means to leave a place briefly, so you've gone somewhere, maybe you're from your home or from the office, and you're going to come back shortly. If you want to take classes with me for less than $1 a day and learn some more great British phrasal verbs, click the link in my bio.